Okay, I got the board in place. After I scrape the edge off of here, from here all the way down, I scrape this edge off with this chisel here. I just went like so and scraped it off underneath. And now what I have to do is I have to run some glue along here. And that's mainly because I scrape the locking system off. I'll do that, and I'll have to bring it together. See, the glue kind of oozes out a little bit. But my whole objective was to get this to go under the wall, because this part is exposed later. But you just get a wet rag, get some of the excess glue off here. Just get a wet rag and wipe it up. That's how you bring the boards together when you can't tap them together side by side. So this is a cork flooring. You kind of see the texture there. See there. But anyway, my name's Anthony Garrison with LaminateFlooringInstall.com. So check my website out for more info if you need it. Thank you.